Well, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So in honor of Father's Day, I thought I would make one of my husband's favorite dishes, and it is called Hungry Man Dinner. Now, it has been a while since I have made this, and honestly, I can't even remember where I found this recipe. He actually said just the other day, I'd really like to have Hungry Man Dinner. So that was my hint. So I thought it would be a great video to share with you. It always kind of makes me laugh for some reason that he likes this so much. It's very simple, very basic. So let me go over these ingredients and show you what you will need to make Hungry Man Dinner. So you will need 1 pound of ground beef, and then I have a 28-ounce can of Bush's baked beans. You can use whatever kind you want. We're going to doctor up these baked beans with a little bit of green pepper and some diced onion, some ketchup, brown sugar, and Worcestershire sauce. And then you're going to need some biscuits. And these are the Grand's biscuits and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to add my ground beef to a large cast iron skillet. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped onion. And that was about a half of an onion, which equaled about a half of a cup. And then chopped bell pepper. It was right around a 1/4 of a cup. All right, after you have browned your ground beef, then you can go ahead and add your baked beans. Then add your ketchup, brown sugar, and Worcestershire sauce. All right, so you can go ahead and turn the fire off and then spread out your bean mixture evenly. And this is where it's about to get real, folks. I'm going to take the biscuits and I'm going to place it on top of these beans. That's right, you heard me. Woo! That bad boy popped. All right, so I'm going to place these biscuits right on top of these beans. And then I'm going to take this cheese and sprinkle all over top. All right, that's the last little bit of cheese. Okay, so now I'm going to bake this in a 375-degree oven for right around 15 minutes, just until the biscuits are done. Okay guys, here it is, Hungry Man Dinner. All made in a skillet. It's basically baked beans with biscuits and cheese. I know, but don't knock it until you try it. So how simple is that? And believe me, it is delicious. You got to give this a try. Those canned biscuits, believe it or not, really do go good with the beans. So thanks for watching. Have a happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.